Chair, this writ petition is filed for quashing of letter dated 2/7/2018, which is Annexure 7, by which my tender, by which the agreement for supply of the security guard was cancelled, Your Lordship. Annexure 7, page 31. The first prayer is this, Your Lordship. The second prayer is, Your Lordship, that they have not paid me the salary of the security guards for the period which they have already worked. On these two issues, Your Lordship, this writ petition is filed, Your Lordship. Earlier, the tender was floated by the respondents, Your Lordship, against which the petitioner has taken part. The tender was allotted to the petitioner, and initially by Annexure 2, the agreement was done between both the parties on 5/5/2017, Your Lordship, and they have agreed to pay the salary as they have mentioned against the designation of the persons who were appointed, Your Lordship. That I have mentioned already in paragraph 7 of my writ petition. Your
What is the reason assigned in letter dated 2/7/2018? Where do you get this 2/7/2018?
Yes, Your Lordship, that is Annexure 7. I am just reading that Annexure 7, Your Lordship, page 31. Your Lordship, that is in Hindi, Your Lordship. The last operative part is this, Lordship. उपयुक्त विषय जिला पदाधिकारी नालंदा के द्वारा निर्देशित किया गया है कि सदर अस्पताल, अनुमंडल अस्पताल और प्राथमिक स्वास्थ्य केंद्र को छोड़कर सभी जगह से सुरक्षा कर्मी तुरंत प्रभाव से हटाए जाए. Your Lordship, they have directed this petitioner.
What is the reason?
Yes, Your Lordship, the reason they have not assigned in this, Your Lordship, although they have assigned the inquiry report in the counter affidavit, where they have first time I came to know about the reasons for Your Lordship termination of the tender in the counter affidavit. They have.
What is the tenure?
Yes, Lordship. I'm just explaining, Your Lordship. The tender, the agreement is Annexure 2, which was Annexure 2. Just a moment, Your Lordship.
4/5/2020.
4/5/20, Your Lordship.
4/5/2020.
Agreement
Yes.
was for 3 years. It has already been lapsed in the year 2000.
But this communication is 2/7/2018.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Before the time they have terminated, and the reason they have said ki in many that I am paying the security guards, I am charging the higher amount and paying the lesser amount to the security guards. We are not paying the PF and the EPF also, ESI amount to the security guard. Your Lordship, these are the reasons which I came to know about the counter affidavit when they have filed to me. Your Lordship, earlier they have not issued any such notices. They have only sent me this Annexure 7.
Where are the, Mr. Respondent Counsel, where are the reason? Because you are not maintained the PF, EF or something like that?
That is the part of the agreement, Your Lordship. Clause 14.
Correct. Where is this in the impugned communication? Before that, is it not necessary to provide a notice stating that you are not maintaining you are not fulfilling the conditions to the agreement?
We have stated in para 9 of the counter affidavit. We have issued a show cause.
You can't support. Where is the show cause notice?
Yes.
Show us where is the show cause notice?
Annexure. No.
What is the date of show cause notice?
As per my information, Lordship, there is no so-called notices ever issued to me. Although they have mentioned, given a statement in the counter affidavit that so-called notices.
So let them show.
Only a statement is there, Your Lordship.
Show cause notice, sir. Where is the show cause notice?
That is not there. That only a statement
That is
has.
sufficient to interfere and set aside. Is taken in the instant petition petitioner for the following relief. So, perusal of the records, it is evident that supply of security guards the District Health Society, Nalanda, was in vogue during the intervening period from 3/3/2017 to
That, sorry,
2020
there is a mention,
for a period of 20.
annexure F, annexure F.
Annexure F.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is that annexure F?
Page number 33 of the counter affidavit.
What is the date?
14/6/18, that is a communication of civil surgeon to the district magistrate Nalanda. That is there, it has been stated that the petitioner has been issued a so-called white letter number 994 dated 12/5/18 and which has been duly replied by the petitioner on 14/6/18, Your Lordship. That is the first paragraph of the communication.
First notice date itself 14/6 and she has submitted, he has submitted on 14.
Yes, that is the
Where
communication.
is that 14/6/2018?
That is not on the record, Your Lordship, but this communication reflects that.
Why it is not reflected in annexure 7?
But we have made a categorical statement that we are going to make payment and payment have also been received.
No, we are not concerned with the payment. When the tenure is till 4/5/4/3.
They are aggrieved by only of the action of the respondent that we have reduced the security guard, Your Lordship. The power is reflect in the agreement itself. Clause 3 of the agreement.
Sir, annexure A7 is speaking order or not? With reference to show cause notice, reply.
I'm aggrieved by annexure 7 by which they have directed me to remove all my security guards.
We'll give you liberty, take action.
The period of agreement has already been over, Your Lordship.
Correct, it is for them to claim damages against you.
Perusal of the record, it is evident that supply of the security guard to the District Health Society Nalanda was invoked during the intervening period from
3/5/2017 to 4/5/2020. In the meanwhile, respondents concerned respondent noticed that the petitioner was not maintaining records in terms of the conditions stipulated in the agreement, like EPF, ESI, service tax, and GST, etc.
Apart from that, my lord, they.
In this regard, notice is stated to have been issued on 14/6/2018 seeking explanation of the petitioner, and it is also that the petitioner had submitted the explanation on 14/6/2018. So, instead of considering the instead of analyzing the show cause notice, reply of the petitioner to the show cause notice, and thereafter taking action, the concerned authority is stated to have invoked short circuit method in dispensing the portion of the contract to stop annexure A7 reads as under page 31. The aforementioned action is not in consonance with the principle of natural justice. No doubt, show cause notice has been issued, and official respondents are in receipt of reply to the show cause notice. In such circumstances, it was bounden duty of the concerned respondent, while passing annexure 7 on 2/7/2018, to refer and analyze show cause notice and reply of the petitioner before taking impugn action. Therefore, impugn action is bereft of reasons and in non-compliance of petitioner's version to his impugn action, he is amenable to review, a judicial review. In such circumstances, the concerned authority should have passed a detailed speaking order, and the same is not forthcoming. Accordingly, the petitioner has made out a prima facie case so as to interfere with the impugn action of the respondent, and they are set aside. Matter is reserving liberty to the petitioner, reserving liberty to the concerned official to proceed in accordance with law. At the same time, petitioner is at liberty to file appropriate application or a petition in claiming damages for the reason that tenure of the contract has already lapsed as on 4/5/2020. With the above observation,